Want to get your paycheck or government benefits directly into your Venmo account? Here's exactly how to set up direct deposit on Venmo step by step. Start by opening the Venmo app, tap the Me tab in the bottom right, that's your profile. Then hit the gear icon in the top right to go into settings. Scroll until you find direct deposit, tap it. Venmo will display your account number and routing number. These are unique to your Venmo account and are provided through Venmo's partner, the Bancorp Bank. Next, tap Show Your Account Number to reveal the full details. You'll see a button to copy both your account and routing numbers. Keep those handy. You'll need them for the next step. Now go to your employer's payroll portal or ask your HR department for a direct deposit form. When you're asked for your banking information, paste in your Venmo account and routing numbers. Be sure to select checking as an account type, not savings. If your employer benefits provider asks for bank name and address, enter the Bancorp Bank 6100 Old SO Village PL, Sioux Falls, SC 57108. Once submitted, it may take 1 to 2 paid cycles for everything to kick in, but once it does, your funds will land directly into your Venmo balance, ready to use instantly. You can send money to friends, pay bills, or use your Venmo debit card for purchases, all with zero delay. Some users even get paid up to 2 days early, depending on the employer's processing speed. You can always come back to the direct deposit section in Venmo settings to update your info or disable it anytime. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like, leave your questions down below, and hit subscribe for more no fluff, straight to the point money tutorials.